Hello, hello. My name is Katie Alfiero. I am the owner and creative behind Zom Co. Today, I'm going to tell you all about our new pattern, Middle Sister Quilt. We're going to go through kind of the pattern just at a high level, share you some of the items that I have made. So this video is great if you have purchased the pattern or you're thinking about purchasing the pattern. And as always, thank you for your support on this pattern or my previous patterns and in my work and watching the video. Let's dive in. So Middle Sister pattern was really fun to name and design. It's all around my family, my immediate family. There's 6 of us with 4 kids, 3 girls and 1 boy, and I am the middle sister, hence the name. The quadrants, there's 4 of them, each representing one of us. There's different color versions and sizes. The pattern is broken down into 2 sections. The first half you'll see is for lap and throw size, and the second half is for a pillow or a wall hanging. There are different versions which we will talk about here in a little bit. The pattern does release October 20th. Most likely if you're watching this, it's already out there. All links are below. We do offer in PDF, which is a digital download. It will go straight to your email. You can also print it on some 8.5 by 11 piece of paper or just use it on any preferred devices. We have a paper pattern coming as well that is a little bit behind, but I will link it here as soon as it is available. So the 3 sizes, like I said, are lap, throw, and then a pillow or a wall hanging. The lap is kind of like a small throw or a large baby, if you will. The measurement is 50.5 by 56.5. The throw is a 66.5 by 74.5, and the pillow is 19.5 by 19.5 square, again, or wall hanging. Each size has different versions. There's officially 2. One's a color burst and one is called Minimalist. The color burst, I'll get out right here, the pattern cover, is made up of 11 fat quarters. I'll also put a video here as well so you can kind of see. But it has 11 fat quarters with the background fabric. This is great for like an ombre if you really kind of want to accent and color one stand out. Those are all different great options. In the shop, we do have the exact same quilt I just showed you the pattern cover in a bundle that we are offering. I'll put those links below as well. Here is that was a lap size. Though I'm really close to the camera, it's probably hard to see. Here is a pillow of the color burst. You can see that the sashing in between is very small. It ends up at 1/2 inch. I think it's fun. It adds definitely a little flair to it. And with the pillow, there's actually a free envelope, just kind of like how this one is, pattern, and I'll link that on my website. I'll link that below. So you can kind of also then build this out. Let's see. The color burst we talked about, Minimalist. So this one is actually like probably my favorite. And this is a throw, so this one is just gonna be even bigger. But it's gonna have your 4 colors, 1 on each quadrant, along with your background fabric. So this one it's either 1/3 of a yard plus your background for your throw, or you can do, which we do have those bundles, so let me just share that real quick. So here's the bundle for that one I just shared. It is on the website. Or if you want to have more of a scrappy look like the one behind me, which is adorable, my friend Shazza made it, you can create it from layer cake. So layer cakes are pre-cut 10-inch squares, which again is what we use to then make the half square triangles. We have I want to say it's like 288 half square triangles. And please note that each half square triangle for the throw and lap, you would have the same amount, they just are sized differently. You have plenty of room to trim your half square triangle and to then line up your points. I have a video on chain piecing to help you out. And the half square triangles, we're making them 8 at a time for the throw and for the lap sizes, and then for the pillow size or wall hanging, we're making them 4 at a time. So both of those are written out in the pattern, real nice and easy for you to follow. I thank you for being interested and watching this video. If you have any questions, please shoot a note or comment below, and I hope you enjoyed the pattern as much as I did. Thank you.